Buchmühle, the beginning of Buchmiller. I just completed this project and I will show you what skills I have in bringing history back to life. I lift the stump on the display, press the button, voila! The water makes the water wheel go. And the water wheel powers the saws. Inside we have the saw stripping the bark from the logs. And the logs, after they're stripped, are brought up by rope to the saw, which makes the lumber. So this I have completed since I can't play golf in the winter time when there's snow on the ground. So now you know what I've been doing instead of being on the links.